for coming tonight and for anything that you do. Surgery is essentially just changing anatomy. And so when you go and change someone's anatomy, it can actually change their life, change their function, change their behaviors. It can change how successful they can do things. And it can have a even greater impact. So give an example of one 16-year-old I dealt with who had a really, really wide cleft lip and a tooth sticking straight out of it. And so it was called the kiss of the devil. And she had come with her father 17 hours on a bus to see us. And because of this kiss of the devil, her entire family was ostracized. So they couldn't trade, they lived out in the jungle, and they couldn't integrate into their village. They were sort of pushed out. And this father brought her and kind of explained to us, if you fix this, it'll be seen as a miracle, and we'll be able to go back into our village because we'll have been blessed. And so that's what we did. And that's essentially what you guys are doing when you support these missions. It's, for us, it's doing a surgery, and it's something that's, I do that every day, right? It's what all of you guys do to enable us to go down there to do, for us, what are relatively simple things in changing anatomy. And what it does, it leads to changing their lives. And when we do it in these places, the changes, typically are much bigger than they are at home. And so that's why I've loved doing it, and that's why I've probably done 12, 14 missions in the past, and I'm really looking forward now, as the group I went with, a lot of them are retiring, and so I'm really looking forward to working with Operation Smile. And I guess the other thing is that all these people are retiring that I worked with. I was the younger one, but this award is like one of those cumulative things, which makes me kind of think like, I'll probably get a little too. So, all right, well, thank you very much.
That's a class competition. Congratulations. Our next